China has just dropped not one, but 2 trillion parameter AI models in the same week. And the global race for AI dominance just got a whole lot hotter. On one side, Alibaba's Qwen team unveiled a preview model so advanced it's outperforming Claude, DeepSeek, and even Google's Gemini in key benchmarks, while running faster than ChatGPT. And right on their heels, Moonshot AI, a $3.3 billion startup, is rolling out its own trillion-scale model with a massive context window and upgraded coding abilities. So let's break this down, because these launches could reshape the competitive landscape. Alibaba's Qwen team has been releasing open-source models all summer, but this time they've gone big, really big. Their new Qwen 3 Max preview packs over 1 trillion parameters. For context, many speculate OpenAI's GPT-4 class models hover around that size, yet most labs have been shifting towards smaller, more efficient designs. Qwen's decision to scale up again is bold, and the results speak for themselves. On benchmarks like SuperGPQA, AMI 25, CodeBench 5.6, ArenaHard v2, and LiveBench 20241125, Qwen 3 Max came out ahead of Claude Opus 4, Kimi K2, and even DeepSeek Phi 3.1. That's no small feat considering how tough those models are to beat. The model is already live through Qwen Chat, Alibaba's answer to ChatGPT, available via Alibaba Cloud APIs, and even integrated directly into any coder, Hugging Face's open-source coding tool. In fact, it's now the default option there, meaning developers will start encountering it instantly. But here's the catch. Unlike some of Qwen's earlier open-source releases, this one isn't free. Access comes through Alibaba Cloud or partners, and the pricing scales depending on your context window size. Smaller prompts are relatively affordable, but once you start pushing the massive 262K token context window, the costs rise quickly. Technically, it's impressive. Input length up to 258K tokens. Output up to 32K tokens. Supports context caching for long workflows. Built for reasoning, coding, structured data, and creative projects. Early testers report it's not only faster than ChatGPT, but also avoids common big model pitfalls, like miscounting letters or failing simple comparisons. Some users even saw it solve puzzles and math challenges that stump other frontier models. Enterprises will need to weigh the power against the costs. But one thing is clear. Qwen 3 Max shows scaling is far from dead. And Alibaba's team is already teasing that the full release will be even stronger. While Qwen was grabbing headlines, Beijing-based Moonshot AI wasn't sitting still. Founded in 2023 and already valued at $3.3 billion, the company is backed by heavyweights like Alibaba and Tencent. Their flagship Kimi series previously hit the trillion-parameter milestone with strong creative writing and coding skills. Now they're preparing a new version with a 256K token context window, double the size of their earlier release, and better coding performance. Unlike Qwen, Moonshot has stuck with an open-source philosophy, with CEO Yang Jilin promising to share technical breakthroughs with the wider community. He's argued that even 256K tokens won't be enough for the hardest problems, predicting future models will need millions of tokens to truly unlock next-gen reasoning. Their upcoming K3 model is already in the works, using K2 itself to help build the next generation, an approach that could accelerate development even further. With Qwen and Moonshot both pushing trillion-parameter systems, China is signaling it's ready to compete head-to-head with US labs. These models aren't just research projects, they're real products hitting the market, aimed at developers, enterprises, and consumers worldwide. So the question is this the start of China overtaking the US in the AI race? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into AI's future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.